Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie, and today we are going to be doing another hair review. So the hair that we are reviewing is the hair that I have on right now. This hair is coming from Celie Hair. They did reach out to send me this hair, and they are also sponsoring today's video. So first and foremost, thank you to Celie Hair for sponsoring today's video. But I also wanted to let you guys know that even though today's video is sponsored, all thoughts and opinions about this hair are my own. So I'm definitely gonna tell it to y'all like it is. So this hair is a 22-inch 5x5 body wave closure. So if you guys are interested in seeing me install and review this hair, then make sure you keep watching. All right, you guys, so here is our wig. So I did go in and pre-pluck it a little bit more. Not sure if you guys can really see it, but we'll see it once I put it on. And it does have the band in the back so that you can wear glueless if you want to. Y'all know that I am a glueless girl. This one is a body wave texture and is a 22-inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace and pop it on so we can see how it's looking. All right, so I got my foundation on my lace, and now it's time to go ahead and put it on. All right, I got it on, and this is how it's looking in the front. I think that it looks pretty good, but as far as how long it is, like I told you guys, this is 22 inches. So it comes to almost to my waist. All right, let's go ahead and melt the lace down. I don't think I want to do glue today. I just want to do my mousse. The reason that I use mousse is when I want it to truly be glueless, like no got to be spray or anything, so I can literally just lift it off of my head. I don't have to use like any alcohol or water or anything to get it off, and I don't have to worry about any of the got to be spray being on my edges or anything. So this is how the hair is looking. I did straighten it just a little bit just to get the waves a little bit looser, and I also cut just a little bit of layers in the front. I want to go ahead and take off this band so we can see how the front of the lace is looking. All right, so whoa. All right, so this is how it looks once I took the band off. Yeah, so let's go ahead and cut this lace off. All right, so I decided that I am gonna put just a little bit of curls in it, not too much. And now I'm going to take this band off. So much better. All right, now let's zoom in on the lace a little bit so that you guys can see how it looks from here. It looks really good. So you guys can see. Again, this is a 5x5 closure. So I'm going to show you guys that I actually applied this wig with no glue at all. First, I'm taking this rat tail comb and literally sliding it right underneath my lace. Can't do that with glue, right? Next, I'm gonna show you guys me literally lifting this wig right off of my head, and there's no glue at all. I'm gonna put it right back on, and it looks so good. Not bleach these knots. All I did was put some foundation on the lace, cut the lace off, and I did pluck the hairline a little bit more. This looks really good, especially for a closure. This is so cute. I'm loving this. Even like the natural texture that it came in was really cute. This hair has really low shedding. It did have just a little bit of shedding from where I was like going to town plucking it in the front. It's so soft. It was super easy to curl. It wasn't tangled at all. The lace feels good. And again, this is 180 density. You actually do get quite a bit of parting space for a 5x5 closure. So the parting goes all the way back to, it goes all the way back to here. You can flip it over if you want to, and it still looks good. Like, it doesn't have to be a frontal for you to flip it over, for you to wear it back. You can put it up into like a half up, half down if you want to. So if you guys are interested in checking this hair out for yourself, I will leave the link with all of the details down below in the description box so that you can go over to the website and check it out. And again, thank you so much to Celie Hair for reaching out and for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not already, make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications and give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.